Good morning. So it's after Create, and I made this before Create because I have a project show. Because I want to gift something for the ladies because we're all going to Create together, Create 10 for Anna Griffin. And I'm staying at Annie's house for the weekend, and I've made some gifts for them. So I made some Tussie Mussies. I used vintage lace that I had, and then everything else is Anna Griffin products and paper. So I'll show you what paper line I use first. So yeah, so I use the floral. I think this is from the crop last year. So this is what I used. This paper line, and and then I also used vintage summer decoupage dies. I used paper fashion stickers, and I used the ladies' bodies out of the paper doll card toppers. So let me show you. There's three different ones, and they're kind of hard to show because they're big. I just hit my mic. So this is it. And I'll pull it out and show you everything that's in it. But this is the vintage lace right here, and this is what the back looks like, and this is it goes on uh, it goes on a hanger, it has a hanger. So this is the inside, okay, and all three of them have the same tags, and uh, this is Annie's, and that's her little note, and they all have the same tags. This is all Anna Griffin stuff, and so this is hard to show for some reason. And then this was one of hers that I just used the die to cut it. So here's those. Remember those tags? Little pockets. Isn't that cute? So okay. So now says Happy Create 10. So that's gonna be, and then let me show you. So I have those wooden cooking uh, sticks, and then I covered it with a paper straw, so it's very sturdy. But these paper straws I got from Amazon, and they came in 24 hours, so that's nice. So this came from the same paper pad, and then this is one. This is Annie, so she has a letter A. All this is the same paper pad, and I grabbed lace from my stash, and then the bows are in Griffins. And then here is the lady. This is a 3 inch, 2 1/4, 1 1/4 fan that I made. And then it goes inside here. I am going to stick tissue paper or something so that it holds it up. But this is what it's going to look like when she hangs it on her doorknob or something. That'll be what it looks like. Isn't that cute? So there's one. And here is the next one. Oh, it's hung on. Here's the next one. This is for Shelly. I haven't even met Shelly yet, but the insides are all the same. The paper's right here. So here's the next Tussie Mussie. And yeah, I'm gonna stuff tissue paper. So here is hers. It says, see that got stuck. Um, there's an S. There is happiness. It says, and the doll. So the box came with pink and gold straws, so that was very nice. So let's stick this one in here so you can see what it would look like. These are hard to not have standing up. So that's what it would look like, something like that. So they would be apart. I have some like floral foam stuff that is going to be separated. So hopefully, and then this one is for Vicky. These are all the same. Okay, that's hers. And what hers looks like is it says grateful and V for Vicky. And then here's her lady. I love making fans. Isn't that cute? Um, Rosettes, I guess, on a stick. So there's what hers would look like. So, yeah, tell me what you think. I hope you like it. I really, really enjoyed making these. Um, they were fun. So, yeah. So that's a hot mess to try to put on camera, but there it is, guys. Hope you like it. Have a blessed day. I do have a tutorial on how to make all these, and I'll add it to this video in the comment section. Thank you.